One bag, 10 colors, endless possibilities. At HAPLAST, we manufacture a wide range of plastic bags for different market needs, supported by advanced production and multicolor printing technology. From shopping bags to packaging solutions for various applications, HAPLAST is capable of producing many bag types with consistent quality and attractive printing. Our white die-cut plastic bag is printed with up to 10 colors in a single process. The clean white surface enhances the printed design, making every color brighter, sharper, and more visually appealing. Beyond this product, HAPLAST continues to deliver a wide variety of plastic bag solutions with high-quality multicolor printing for diverse customer requirements. Supported by recognized certifications and strict production standards, HAPLAST upholds consistent quality in every product we deliver. And trusted by customers across many markets, we continue to provide reliable and high-value plastic packaging solutions to partners worldwide. HAPLAST, elevating die-cut bags with advanced 10-color printing.